Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up the HubSpot WhatsApp integration. To begin, open HubSpot and go to the home page. This is your starting point for accessing tools, integrations, and account features. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to get oriented so it's easier to find the next option. Near the top of the page, look for the Marketplace area. Depending on your screen size or layout, it may appear in the top navigation or within the main menu area. If you do not immediately see it, scan the upper part of the interface carefully. This section is where HubSpot lists available apps and integrations you can connect to your account. When you find it, click on HubSpot Marketplace. This will open the Marketplace where you can search for tools and services that work with HubSpot. The Marketplace is useful for adding extra functionality, including communication channels like WhatsApp. Once the Marketplace page loads, go to the search bar and type WhatsApp. Entering the name directly helps narrow the results so you can quickly locate the correct integration. Be sure to spell it clearly so the relevant app appears in the search results. After the search results display, click on WhatsApp. This will take you to the integration listing page where you can review the app and begin connecting it to HubSpot. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're opening the correct listing before moving forward. Next, click Install. After selecting Install, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your HubSpot account permissions and the connection requirements, so simply proceed through each screen in order. You may be asked to review permissions, confirm access, or approve the connection before the integration is finalized. As you go through the setup, read each prompt carefully to make sure the integration is configured the way you want. If your browser opens any pop-up windows during installation, allow them so the connection process can continue smoothly. It can also help to keep your HubSpot session active throughout the process to avoid interruptions. Once all prompts are complete, the WhatsApp integration should be connected in HubSpot. From there, you can continue with any additional in-app configuration shown on your screen. That's it for the setup process. You've now gone from the HubSpot homepage to the Marketplace, searched for WhatsApp, selected the integration, and started the installation by following the on-screen instructions.